Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, it was a bittersweet moment for the family of Tonya MacDonald as they reacted to the news of a guilty verdict for Portland businessman Everton Beachy Stout MacDonald and his co-accused Oscar Barnes.
The men who have been on trial since last September have also been found guilty of murder and conspiracy to commit murder.
Now, Raquel Porter has been covering the trial and now reports.
After deliberating for 1 hour and 11 minutes, the panel of 7 jurors, including 3 women, found MacDonald and Barnes guilty of murder and conspiracy to murder. The deceased woman's mother and sister burst into tears as the verdicts were read out in court. Sonia Davis Hamilton has been attending court since the trial began in September. She says her family has endured much, not only losing Tonya, but her husband, Tonia's father, was also murdered.
I was in there having anxiety attack, I tell you. Waiting for this verdict. I am happy about the verdict. Very much so. Yeah, because this has been for so long and this family has gone through so much trauma.
During the trial, the prosecution's main witness, Denvelin Minot, who was convicted for his role in Tonia's death and is serving 19 years, said MacDonald was responsible for Mr. Hamilton's murder. Nicole Hamilton Linton, the deceased woman's sister, struggled to hold back tears as she spoke with members of the media outside the court.
It has been very hard on us, and she was the baby. She was a baby of the family, and they took her out in a gruesome manner. So, I guess all of this culminating now is just me. I'm happy, but it won't bring my sister back.
Lead attorney for the Portland businessman, Everton Beachy Stout MacDonald, Earl Hamilton, says the high-profile nature of the case was a hurdle for the defense.
I congratulate our team that has defended Everton MacDonald, but anyone hearing what transpired in the news, not during the trial, before, it would have been, it's an uphill task.
Also speaking with reporters outside the courtroom this afternoon, Vincent Wellesley, one of the attorneys representing Barnes, said he has identified grounds for an appeal.
I do not believe that the evidence was sufficient for them to have returned with such a verdict. My impression, though, having listened to the summation and having discerned at least 7 grounds of appeal, my view is that the jurors were misdirected. I do not know who's going to do the appeal, but any lawyer who's going to do the appeal will have a field day when they go to the Court of Appeal.
Everton Beachy Stout MacDonald and his co-accused Oscar Barnes will be sentenced on May 16. The body of Tonya MacDonald was found with her throat slashed and with multiple stab wounds along a deserted road in Sherwood Forest, Portland. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.